how to create custom server emojis in Discord. So from within the Discord app, go ahead and click on your Discord, and then after you've done that, go up to the top and next to the Discord name, click on the little drop down menu option. Then from here, click on the server settings option. Then over here on the left hand side, click on the emoji tab. And after you've done that, it'll bring you to the server emoji page. Don't let your memes be dreams, and have up to 50 custom emojis that anyone can use on this server. You can do animated ones as well if you have Discord Nitro. I do not, so we're not going to be able to do those. Emoji names have to be at least 2 characters long and only can contain alphanumeric characters and underscores. They have to be under 256 kilobytes in size. So for me, the emoji I'm going to create is my logo. So we're just going to go ahead and hit upload. And you'll notice mine went straight to my logo here because I already had that preloaded. You might have to go diving through your computer a little bit to find whatever image that you're going to be using. Most of the times it could be in like a download if you just download it from a different website. So we'll go ahead and click on my logo here and we'll click open. Okay, and you notice that it's already given it the nickname or alias of howtoal. That's a little long for me, so I'm going to shorten that up. I'm just going to be HTA. Okay, so there we go. Now my emoji is there, and if I want, I can go ahead and upload another one, but this is good for now, so I'll go ahead and escape. We'll go back into my chat channel here. I'll just type it in here and see if we can get to pop up. And then HTA, and there it is, even is suggested. And click on enter, and there's my little howtoal emoji. So that's how you add a custom emoji in your Discord server.